In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening stock in ERPNext. This process is essential for setting up your inventory management in the system and making sure your books reflect the accurate stock levels from the get-go. First, we'll begin by accessing the Stock Reconciliation tool, which is your gateway to adjusting and setting up initial stock quantities in ERPNext. To do this, navigate to the menu where you'll find the sequence: Stock, then Tools, and finally, Stock Reconciliation. Here, you're setting the stage to enter your initial stock data. Once you've arrived in the Stock Reconciliation area, the next step is to create a new reconciliation entry. Go ahead and click on New. This will open up a fresh reconciliation form for you to work with. It's crucial at this point to set the posting date and time. Typically, you'll want to use the date that represents your opening balance. This is often the day you started using ERPNext for your inventory management. Setting this correctly ensures that the system recognizes your starting stock levels from the exact point of transition. The next important decision is choosing the warehouse. This is where your stock physically resides. You might label this warehouse as Stores or Main Warehouse, or perhaps with a name that suits your business needs. Make sure you select the appropriate option here so the system knows the stock origin. Now, let's delve into the heart of the process: adding items. Within the Items table, you'll need to enter each item that forms part of your opening stock. For each one, you must provide the item code, which uniquely identifies it in your database. Next is the quantity, which is simply how much of that item you physically have on hand. Lastly, and this part is critical, is the valuation rate. This is the cost per unit of the item and plays a vital role because it affects the overall stock value within your accounting books. So be meticulous when entering this rate to ensure your financial records reflect accurate stock valuations. After you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to finalize your entries. First, click Save to ensure all your data is secured and ready for submission. Once saved, press Submit to officially record your stock levels in ERPNext. When you do this, the system will automatically generate stock ledger entries and update the stock balances for the items you've just entered. This is a vital step because it aligns your digital records with the actual stock in your warehouse. Congratulations! By following these steps, you've successfully added your opening stock in ERPNext. This foundational setup is critical for maintaining accurate inventory records and ensuring your business operations run smoothly.